Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For this video, Wyatt and I are going to be closing out the Ford Courier build that we did together that's all rusted out. And this is also our Assemblers Unite build. Nothing on this vehicle was changed other than paint. So this is the Assemblers Unite group build hosted by Shaggy's Awesome Garage and Link's model. I should have Link's Scale Works. I'm sorry.
No,
So this is the model that we built together.
yeah, it's a blue truck saving me and me.
Yeah, it's a blue truck. All right. Let's tell them a little bit about the model, Wyatt. So when we got this truck, we ordered this truck off from eBay.
Yep.
All right.
So
yeah, you made it. All right, hold on a second, okay? Let me tell them a little bit about the truck, okay? The things that we did. Okay. So we ordered the truck off from eBay. It was listed as a complete kit. With Christmas and New Year's and just all the holidays. I started to get behind with my builds. I wanted to build something with Wyatt. So this came in, and it came in without an engine. So I'd already entered into the Assemblers Unite group build with my 57 Chevy, which I just didn't have time to build. So we went ahead, Wyatt and I'm going to set this down for a second. Actually, no, I'm not. So we went ahead, when we built this truck, exactly as it came.
Came.
So,
Came as a truck.
So, yeah, it came as a truck.
Excuse me. Blue.
We glued it together. We painted it blue because you like that color, right?
Yep.
We put the rust on.
Dry.
Yeah, it's dry. So we went ahead. We painted the truck. We undercoated it with a rust color, and then we sprinkled salt on it.
Salty, good.
Yeah. So we sprayed it with a rust color. And then we put the water and the salt to it, and then we sprayed it with the blue that Wyatt picked out. And then I took all kinds of craft paints and we added in the rust colors and the washes. I made the washes with just the craft paints and water. And so then we tried to make it look like windshield wiper streaks. This is supposed to be sort of like a barn find. So let's start off. I'll show you the hood.
Yep. Sure.
So there's the hood. So you can see all the kind of the different things that we did with it just by looking at the hood. Hold on a second. Okay. So you can see kind of that we added in the rust, we added in some brown washes, we added in a little bit of green for sort of like moss, some light brown for like dust, because it's supposed to have sat in a barn for a while. Didn't do anything with the bottom of the hood, just left that as it was. And then we're going to show them the rest of it. So here, actually, can you just like step down over there? Yeah, you think you can do that? All right, hold on right here. So one of the things I did is I made like this brown rust looking color, and it's a little bit rough textured because I added in baking soda. We put some of that over here, down along the bottom and in the cab corners. We did that on both sides. You can see some of it right in there. And I tried to put some like along the fender wells here. We did the engine bay up as best we could without having an engine. We also dirtied up the bottom. And then we added in, these are all parts that came from the kit. I just figured without having an engine, I didn't use a lot of the stuff with Wyatt. So we just put them in the back. Nothing was changed about the kit. It's still assembled as it came. Don't bang into the tripod, okay? It's still assembled as it came. We just changed some locations. So overall, this was a pretty fun build. We spent some time on it together, as you saw if you watched the videos. We're going to be doing another one shortly of another rust bucket. I already got it picked out. So there you go. Come on back over, Wyatt. Watch the tripod frame. Come on back over. All right, yeah.
Hello.
You can sit on the lap.
Hello.
So this is our reveal.
Yep.
Hopefully it's a worthy model cars and coffee. Hopefully it's a worthy build for the Assemblers Unite, even though it didn't have an engine. It's got stuff in the back. Yeah. Point the stuff in the back. Show them what you did.
You got brown, you got green, sun, you got what? What time?
All kinds of glue over a long time, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
You here too?
Yeah, put the radiator in the back because it didn't have an engine.
Yeah.
How about anything else you want to point out?
Yes, this one.
Oh, hold on. That's delicate, remember. What else you want to point to? Tell them about.
We can move down.
Yeah,
We can try.
we put some
Move
dirt and some moss on the tires.
Is that what?
Put dirt all over it.
Yep.
Yep.
And I got two.
All right. Here. Hold it up. Hold it up for me. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following along with our build. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Hold just a little bit lower so they can see it. Okay. You want to show off your work. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd appreciate it if you do. Toss us a like, toss us a comment, and until we see you again, everybody out there be safe and everyone be blessed, and thank you for watching.